In our last video, we saw this formula: speed multiplied by unit vector of direction is a velocity vector. Now, in this video, we're going to look at the second formula. Let's say we have a ship at this position P, 4 kilometers east, 3 kilometers north, and it goes through a translation of 3, -6. It will come to this new position, 7 kilometers east, 3 kilometers south. So this first position in the form of a vector is a position vector. A position vector is any vector that starts from the origin. And the final position is also a position vector. And then we have a translation. The translation can also be written as a direction vector, 3i minus 6j. So we have this formula: new position is the same as the initial position plus the translation. So this in a vector form, the new position vector will be the initial position vector plus the direction vector. But normally the direction vector is given in the form of a velocity vector. They are not going to give us in the form of a displacement, but in a velocity vector. How do you change a velocity into a displacement? From the formula, speed is distance divided by time. Velocity will be displacement divided by time. Therefore, displacement is velocity multiplied by time. So let's go back to our ship. From point P, if it had traveled for 1 hour, and they're going to give us the velocity vector here, 3i minus 6j, and if it traveled for 1 hour, this would be the translation or the direction vector, 3i minus 6j. So it comes back to Q1, our original position. Let's say it traveled for 2 hours. If it traveled for 2 hours, then you multiply the velocity vector by 2, you get 6i minus 12j. So you have a new position here, which is 10i minus 9j. So from this, we know we have a new formula for the second one. New position vector is the initial position vector plus the velocity vector multiplied by the time. So this is the abbreviation for it. Each book will have a different abbreviation. And A, don't get mixed up with the unit vector of direction. This A is just the initial position. This is the velocity vector. This is the time. And this is our new position. So in our next few videos, we will start looking at examples.